Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your account on the Kraken crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Kraken application on your device. And once you use your biometrics or PIN code, you will end up within your homepage. From here, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then tap on your user ID or your email address at the top section. Now within this page, you will see the close account button. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on the continue button to confirm your decision. You may be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account. So tap on whichever reason you wish to provide and then proceed with the continue button once again. Now you will be asked to confirm one final time to close your account. When you tap on the red button to close your account, everything pertaining to your account will be deleted and you will not be able to reinstate your account in the future. So once you have confirmed and withdrawn all of your funds, tap on the Yes, Close My Account button and this will proceed with closing down your account. You may need to provide the verification from your email address by tapping on the link within. And there you have it. That is how you can close your account on the Kraken crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.